Hello and welcome to this Prisma tutorial. My name is Svenja, and in this video I will give you an overview of the capacity linking functionality on our platform. The linking wizard is a time-saving feature if you are moving capacity that needs to transit through market areas. This means you come from market area A, want to transit through market area B, and exit into market area C. In the past, you needed to link your obtained entry and exit capacity in secondary systems provided by the respective TSOs. This took time and effort. Now, you can easily do this via the capacity linking wizard. To begin with, you have to navigate to the transport section. Here you can enter the wizard by clicking on capacity linking and combine your capacity deals with 4 easy steps. First, you simply select your entry and exit network points at which you want to link your capacity. The possible combinations of network points are set beforehand by the respective TSO. Now you are shown all available deals that can be linked together. Use the Details button to check the respective auction and booking details for the selected deals. Select one deal for the entry and one for the exit point. Please keep the following linking criteria in mind. The capacity you want to link needs to have been bought within the last 15 days. You can link firm and backhaul capacity from the primary market. You can link day ahead, monthly, quarterly and yearly products. Both capacity deals need to have the same runtime. Deals can be linked until 2 hours before runtime start, and you can link between 1 kWh per hour and a smaller capacity amount. Let's check this for our example. On top of the page, the original deal details are displayed for your convenience. The capacity has been bought in the last 15 days. It is firm capacity from the primary market. It is not a within-day capacity. The runtime of both capacity deals is identical, and the start of the runtime is more than 2 hours away. You now can specify the exact amount of capacity you want to link, which can be between 1 kWh per hour and the lower value of the 2 selected deals. In this example, we can select maximum 1000 kWh per hour, as it is the lower value out of the 2 deals. Let's enter 500 kWh per hour. Now all you have to do is to accept the participating TSO's terms and conditions and confirm the requested link. As you do so, our platform will forward this information to the TSO's system and directly gives you feedback if the requested link is possible, a proposed alternative by the TSO needs to be selected, or if the linking cannot be done at all. Once the process is confirmed by the TSO's backend, you will receive an email summarizing the linking. Additionally, you can find your processed links in your activity feed and in the respective part of the reporting section. One of the pioneers in the linking field is Fluxys Belgium, which consolidates its OCOOC and wheeling services within our capacity linking wizard. I hope this video provided you with helpful insights. If you have any further questions, please do not hesitate to contact Prisma Customer Care. My name is Svenja, and I wish you a pleasant day.